Hi everybody, Fabrizio here. Today I want to show you my new product that is called Deepforge. That is a Python object-oriented library to model deep neural networks, and it's based on Keras and TensorFlow. Which are the features? The features are also in the documentation. We have an high-level API for defining neural network architectures. It is modular and extensible, and it has support for a variety of neural network types, like, for example, multivariate deep neural networks, like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and, for example, the noisy autoencoder. The installation is quite pretty straightforward. It's just using pip, so it's pip install Deepforge, and we install the library straightforward. So let's go to an example, a demo. I prepared a Jupyter notebook. Here we have the library initialization. As you can see, it's everything documented, so you can just use all the functions and classes that you find in the library. Pretty straightforward. We initialize it with 20 CPU and 1 GPU. And then we start designing our network. For example, our deep neural network with 2 input layers and a custom loss function is pretty straightforward. Here is the class, multivariate DNN, and we set inputs, we set layers, and we set the outputs. Then we build the model, we feed the model, and then we predict it, and we save the model. So starting with that, we see a summary of everything. So this is how the network is built. And then we set the model, we make a prediction, and we load the model back. Another interesting model I want to show you is the noisy autoencoder. Here is like the previous one. We defined the noisy autoencoder, we set all the layers, and then we generate the noisy data that we want to denoise. So in order to do that, we just run it, feed the model, and then, as you can see, the noisy data, that is the orange one, is denoised on the green line, and the clean data it's on the blue line, to your reference. So with that, I hope you enjoyed my library and that you start using it, and let's keep in touch.